The explosion occurred directly beneath his head, and the blast completely severed it from his body. On the night of December 31st, 2020, in Boufsheim, a small town in the Alsace region of France, a 25-year-old man was celebrating New Year's Eve with friends. They had acquired illegal fireworks despite a regional ban on private fireworks that year in the Basse-Rhin area. The group set up a large mortar-style firework in an outdoor area and prepared to launch it. Someone lit the fuse, and the group stepped back to watch. The firework appeared to misfire initially, producing smoke but not launching. After waiting for what seemed like enough time for it to be safe, the 25-year-old man approached the mortar to investigate what had gone wrong. He bent down close to examine the device, bringing his head directly over the tube. At that moment, the firework suddenly detonated with full force. The explosion occurred directly beneath his head, and the blast completely severed it from his body. The gruesome injury was instantly fatal. His friends, who had witnessed the explosion, were traumatized and in shock. Local authorities investigated and confirmed that the fireworks being used were illegal under the regional ban that had been put in place specifically to prevent such tragedies. The incident became one of the most tragic fireworks accidents in France that year and highlighted the deadly consequences of ignoring safety regulations.